How to download view-only video on Google Drive. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser. Make sure that you open the link where the video is located. So the first option that we can do right here, if you only have a view-only access on the video, is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the file button, which is right here. After that, just click the download button right here in this part, and then after that, it should now be already downloaded into your computer. If there is no download option for you here, then what we are going to do next is to open our developers option. So in this part, just go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three dots. So currently I'm using a Microsoft Edge. So all you have to do right there, maybe if you are using like a different browser like Chrome or Brave, is to just look for the developers option right here. So in this case, this is where my developer tools is located. So just click on that. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to go onto the network. So once you are now here on the network, so just reload that. So once you are now here on the filter, we're going to type video only. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to just make sure that the file is set from largest to lowest. And then in this part, the largest file that we have right here is the one that we are going to copy. So right click on it and then click copy URL and then just open any text editor that you have in your computer. So we're going to paste this one right here. So as you can see, this is the link that we have. So once you are now here, what we are going to do is to just, on the last part of the link, we're going to delete this one right here. So it is =1 and S and then the rest of it. So what we're going to do once you select that is to delete it. And then once you delete it, what we are going to do is to select this, which is the and sign. So we're going to select that and then until right here on the range. So after that, we're going to delete that also. Once you do that, we're going to copy it and then open another tab and then paste the link. After that, as you can see, this is what it looks like. We can now download the video by just clicking on the three dots, which is right here. After that, just click the download button and then that should be it. After that, what we're going to do next to get the audio is to go here on the video once again and then just open your developer's tools. And then in this part, instead of the video, we're going to type audio in this part. So make sure that the video is playing. And then once you see the audio, just search for it. And then in this part, make sure that you set the size from the largest to lowest. So after that, we're going to copy this, copy URL, and then go here once again on the text editor. So after you do that, we're going to repeat the same steps that we did. So just remove this, the last part of the link until the equal sign of this part. So remove that. And then the last thing is look for range. So this is it. And then just look for the and sign and then delete this. So it could be a different number, but all you have to do is to delete it from this to this one. So delete that once again and then copy the link and then paste it once again on the search bar. And then you can now download the audio. So just download it and then after that you can now edit it in any video editor and then you can just of course put the audio on the overlay of the video and then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to download view-only video on Google Drive.